First off, it's in a beautiful facility, most manicured range in the country. You got 200 pro shooters, 200 amateur shooters, and the pros help everybody. It's not a one-on-one deal. So with all those pros being on a squad or at this facility, you get so much training, more than you're going to get anywhere else, and you're going to do way better here than you will one-on-one with anybody.
Well, on day one, I cleaned 2 stages, which is when you actually hit all the targets in one stage in the allotted time, which is only 90 seconds. And that's pretty impressive and was really like a huge confidence booster. Today, got some really good stages, getting to spend this much time with Regina, and then also just getting to meet all the people on the squad. We had a great time together. Had a couple of stages, especially in the shoot house, where I just didn't do very well. You know, Regina was always there to help guide me throughout the entire thing. And one of the cool things about this match, there are all these pros and AMs paired up, and each squad has, 10 sets, so 20 people. Any of the pros can coach you. Every time I had a stage where I didn't do very well or I had something that was really complicated, I had multiple people with lots of experience to talk to me about it and to help me through it or to help me work through what I did wrong.
Karen exceeded all of the goals that I set for her. I actually had initially said get 50% of the shots off and hit 80% of the points of those 50%, and she did way better than that. That is the highlight for me though, is watching somebody who doesn't know anything about the sport and they slowly get better. The last time I saw somebody get that excited was another person who was brand new to the sport, hit a target at 1,000 yards twice, and it was the first time she'd ever done it, and her whole face lit up. And your face did the same thing. So it was like everything connects.
I think that's one of the coolest things about this match is that you get to learn so much in a fun environment. It's the best. It's the best for new shooters who want to get into this sport.